Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well and you've been trading safely. Today, what I want to do for a quick minute is just to go over one of the trades that Pat with TrickTrades.com is always preaching to us, along with the double tops, the double bottoms. He always talks about the lower highs and the higher lows. Okay, now this is a perfect example right here on Amazon this morning. It was coming up. It bottomed out pretty good in the morning, and then it had a nice little run on up right here. Okay, and then you started to see some wicks. Okay, you're starting to see these wicks, so it's starting to look a little bit toppy. So at this point, I'm looking for the lower high. Okay, and here it was right here, lower high right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter here and I'm going to manage my risk, okay, because my risk is going to be minimal because I'm catching it up near the top, or what I think is going to be the top. So I'm going to put my risk up here at 1957, okay. Now this is a good solid risk. You're risking just this little amount, this $3, as opposed to catching it here and here, or even dropping below VWAP and going on down. Now, I wouldn't suggest holding it all the way. You could if you wanted, but you should take your profits along the way. It's one of the things that Pat always teaches. So anyway, we got the trade right here on the lower high. We watched it. You can see the EMA, the 9 EMA right here, and it just follows under it, follows under it, follows under it. Okay, I took some off right here, took the majority of it off right here, and then watch it, follow, took the rest off right here, and then pretty much, I won't say I bottom ticked it, but I just felt like, right around the VWAP area in the 200 EMA was or 200 SMA was a good place to go ahead and get on out. So that's what I did. That was a trade, guys. This is the stuff that Pat teaches, guys. I really encourage you to get in there. Don't be afraid of these higher price stocks. Please don't. I used to do penny stocks, okay? I started with penny stocks, okay? With you know who and the Lamborghini guy, and I've been there. I've done that. They're they're hard to play, guys. They're hard to play, and they're really frustrating. These stick to resistance and support levels so much better. It takes a month or so to start to get used to them, to see how they trade, and then you'll be amazed, off the daily levels and the resistance levels, the open and close levels, on how that they react to those. So don't be afraid of the price, guys. You can put in 10 shares, 5 shares, whatever, and you're not really spending any less money than you would if you're putting 5,000 shares of something else in, of some crappy stock in. Okay, so don't be worried about it. Check out Pat Mitchell at TrickTrades.com, and you guys have a great day. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.